What's up everyone, this is MK Wiseman, and on this channel I hope you have a much more better understanding of mobile devices like phones, laptops, cameras, and all the associated accessories. Now if you're new to this channel, please click that subscribe button so that you don't miss any of the future videos, hacks, tutorials, hacks like this one. So today I'm sharing something different, like I'm sharing with you my secret all in one place for software from Windows, Adobe products, multimedia, audio processing, name it. Now without wasting any time, let's dive in. Now you open your browser and then type in, because I already have this, I already opened this one. I get into pc.com, and then on your mobile, on your laptop, it will work. I get into pc.com. Oh, my internet is slow. I don't know why, maybe weather stuff. Okay. Now from here you can, there's a search, you can search, like for example After Effects, so there's a search button, you can search whatever you want, but I always want to go into software categories to see like which category, depending on what category that I need. For example, the bunch, I hope you can see them, there's a bunch of software categories here, all of the mobile, iPhone, whatever. Okay, let's say I want, like, what do you need? I mean, what do you want? Most of you want web design. Okay, video editing. Okay, most of you want video editing. So in case you want video editing, you'll find, like, we have Movavi, you have Wondershare, Filmora Go. Oh, I told you Adobe products. Let's say you want to maybe After Effects. Okay, After Effects is already there. So you get all these things. Okay, you have After Effects, they update After Effects, and they are all for free. Okay, they provide you with standalone installers, so you can install this offline. There's no need for any activation, no need to any trial. You just install this and start using. This is what I've been using to learn these things, because these things can pretty be expensive. So in case you don't have money to pay for what the company provides, this can be helpful. It may not be the latest version, but at least it can be really helpful. Just check it out. Once again, it is igetinpc.com. Now let's say I want to download After Effects here. So the internet is quite slow, so first wait. Okay, now click download now. This is not a sponsored video, but I'm making this video because I've been using their softwares for quite some time and I've not had any problem with them. They work pretty fine. Hope we can see that. Do you want to download? What do you like? Should I? But I already have After Effects. I'm not going to download. But in case you wanted to download it, you just click and download. They'll provide you with a standalone installer, which is offline, and yeah, download it and start using right away. Now if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and please subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of the future videos. Share this video if you find it helpful, that it will help a friend. And for now, see you in the next video.